Hey guys, so I asked if you guys wanted a longer version of this very simple look, and the majority of you said yes. So here we are. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to start with some skincare. I'm using my Curel Facial Milk Moisturizer. I mentioned that in my last video. I'll put a link to it up here if you missed it. And then I'm going to prime my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. Still loving that. And then this time I used the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation. Such a good foundation. Really good coverage and kind of like a natural-ish finish. It's not matte. It's not overly um, luminous. It's just really, really good. I like this foundation a lot. And then I'm just priming my face with some concealer. I'm using this Dito. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's a really, really cool palette. I've only used two shades, so I went with a peachy, kind of very all over my lid, not being very precise. And then I put a very tiny bit of a shimmer on the center of my lid just to give a little pop. And then I just kind of blend it all together again. Some mascara because I'm going to be applying some lashes. And this look is all about the lashes and the skin, in my opinion. So everything else is just kind of, bells and whistles. And then I'm using concealer. I'm using the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. I'm not sure if I love this. I don't know. I feel like it does look cakey on me. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the verge of giving up on it, but still trying it out in a few different ways. But so far, I don't know. I don't think I love it though. And then I'm setting my face, just my under eyes and a little bit of my T-zone with my Mercier translucent powder, as usual. And then I'm going to use the glow version on my cheekbones and my nose and everywhere else because I love the glow that this powder gives. It's so, so, so pretty. And then of course I really am working so hard to finish this Physicians Formula bronzer. It's almost there though. I feel like I'm gonna be so happy when this whole thing is gone, but then I'm gonna be sad because it's clearly my favorite bronzer. I'm just pinching my brush and contouring my nose, and I really love the blush from this palette. It's so peachy, and I thought it would just tie the whole look together since I was going for peachy overall. And very quickly, I highlighted my inner corners using one of the shimmer shades from the palette as well. This is my lip combo. It's the lip pencil from the Nabela and e.l.f. Cosmetics collaboration. And I just dabbed it all over my lips. And then I topped it off with this Pixie Beauty gloss, which is really cool and just clear, but very shimmery. And that's it. A very simple, quick look. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.